Hey guys, what's up? It's a couple days later after that last bit. And the ZJ tie rod is still here, obviously. I got the new tie rod end in. It's a nice Moog replacement with the cotter pin, castle nut, and a new nipple. So yeah, once I get to that, maybe this weekend sometime, I'll measure it out and make sure it's good. And then I'll assemble this and screw that in to where it's supposed to be, and then I will be able to have a nice beefier steering. So that's about it for now. I'll see you hopefully on the weekend, or maybe Thursday, I don't know. We'll see. Hey guys, Fancy Bullock here. It's just a little continuation of the last video, or last segment of this video, I think. I'm not quite sure what I recorded, but basically, I was mentioning to you guys I was going to be doing the ZJ tie rod on the Cherokee, doing the ZJ tie rod upgrade, and I had bought a new Moog tie rod end for the ZJ tie rod because the other one was just absolute garbage. So basically today I got back from school. I got back from work and was like, hey, I'm going to do this. And I didn't record it because, I'll be honest guys, it didn't really take that long. It only took like maybe 45 minutes, not including cleanup time, like 45 minutes to put the new tie rod on, and alignment's still good, and I measured everything and made sure it was all square and whatnot. So it didn't take tons of time, so it didn't really feel worth recording. I mean, I should have recorded it, but I just kind of wanted to get it done because there's a lot of stuff on the Jeep that I need to get done. Because in a couple weeks, August 17th, let me check my phone real quick. Yeah, August 17th, I will be going to Bundy Hill again. Yeah, I know, I've been to Bundy Hill tons of times, but I will be going to Bundy Hill with my friend and his nephew / brother-in-law, whatever it is. I'll be going to Bundy Hill again with them, and it's gonna be fun because my friend Jeff, his nephew is gonna be bringing his Power Stroke. It's an older 90s model Power Stroke, so it's not the newest thing, but it's a nice Power Stroke, and he wanted to do some wheeling, and I told him, hey, come with me to Bundy Hill, because the Jeep is going to be doing some wheeling, and he can do some wheeling, and it'll be a good time for him. I don't think he's going to do anything insane. I'm going to try to do some more complicated stuff this time, maybe get my friend to record stuff, but I don't know. We'll have to see how all that stuff goes. But let me show you the new tie rod. I mean, there's not tons of stuff to show about it. There's the new tie rod end I got from Moog. It's all tightened up. It's a lot thicker, a lot beefier than this old XJ tie rod. That end was a little difficult to put in. I'll admit, that end over there, because the ball joint was spinning a little bit, so I need to hold it and whatnot. But it's all tightened up now. I might come through with some more bed liner and get her black and whatnot. She's a little more clean, but for now, this will be pretty freaking good, to be completely honest. There's a lot of stuff I want to do before Bundy Hill. I want to get the new control arms on, but given my weekends and whatnot, we'll see how much time I have. So I got exams coming up, and I'm just busy as usual. Turn my phone light off. All right. So yeah, that's the new ZJ tie rod on there. Everything's tightened up. I gotta check all the torque on the steering gear that I put in the other weekend. Here is the old the old extra tie rod. Let me again. See, yep, there's the old XJ tie rod. I mean, nothing really to say about it. It's skinny, it's small, and it's not as thick. Other one's a lot beefier, a lot nicer, and should be plenty for what I want to do. So yeah, there's that. Oh, excuse me. I got some Bleeping Jeep stickers and whatnot, so. Another thing I gotta do before I go to Bundy Hill is figure out this gas tank plate. It's like a plate cover from the exhaust, and I was originally going to cut it off, but I was talking to my dad, and he's like, well, it's covering the gas tank from the exhaust. You probably don't want to cut it off, but maybe remount it somehow. So we're going to have to figure out how to do that stuff so it doesn't detonate my gas tank. I doubt it'll do anything like that. This Moab sticker, which I actually got in Moab. Yeah. Let me see, what other stuff do I have on the Jeep I want to do? Let me go on my list. I have a list of stuff. It's an ever-growing list, of course. Alright, I got new control arms I want to do. New tie rod. Hey. That's done. New control arms, new rear brakes, remount metal by gas tank, new fluid for the differential in the front, shackle relocation. I got tons of stuff I want to do, but really not a lot of this stuff is going to be able to be done. At least not in the near future. I gotta do an oil change soon too, because it's about time for that. Maybe I'll do it before I go to Bundy Hill, so there's no problems with the oil and whatnot. So yeah, I mean that's really about it for the Jeep. I was considering making half doors or tube doors for the Jeep, so that might be a project you'll see on here. It might not be, but just another thing to consider. Yeah, that's about it with the Cherokee. Check out my dad's Mercedes. He started working for a new company, and this is his company car. Oh, he's suffering with his Mercedes. That's irrelevant. So, thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hopefully I'll be doing something a little more exciting than just walking around it and showing you, yep, this is what I did, this is what I did, and that's what I did. Hopefully I can do a little more interesting commentary, maybe more videos. Let me know if you guys want to see more. Peace.